Hello friend, in last video we have studied about number system. So firstly we will recall what we have studied in. So recalling this: natural number, whole number, integer, even odd number, prime number with twins prime and triplets prime. Now what we have to cover today, we will recall that. Co-prime, composite number, perfect number, rational and irrational number, phase and place value, important points of number system. So now go ahead. So co-prime number, a number whose common factor mainly 1. That means a pair of number are said to be a co-prime number when they have the highest common factor, which means a number with common highest number with 1. Example: 5 7, 11 13, 12 17, 13 14, 28 and 57. Going ahead, you can see here the composite numbers, a number that is divisible by a number other than and number itself is called composite number. For example, you are seeing here that the 4 is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. Here you can see that the 1 is co-prime number, 4 is the number itself, but the 2 is the another number factor. Okay, so here is the more example you can see. Going ahead, you can see that the perfect number, a positive integer which is equal to the sum of its positive divisor excluding the number itself. Here the example of perfect number, you can see first 5 perfect number: 6, 28, 496, 8128, triple three, two, double three, double 50, 336. These 5 are the perfect number. Here you are seeing that 1, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the perfect number. Example: here you are seeing that the 3, 2 and 1, if we are going to add this, we will got 6, which means that it is the perfect number. Now we are going to understand rational or irrational number. To understand rational or irrational number, firstly we will understand what is real number. So real number is divided into two parts: non-decimal and decimal. Decimal have divided into two parts: terminal and non-terminal. Non-terminal has divided into two parts: recurring and non-recurring. So going ahead, firstly we will talk about non-decimal numbers. Non-decimal number, what we have studied in earlier video, that natural number, whole number, integer, even, odd, prime, co-prime, composite, perfect number are non-decimal in the form of non-decimal number. So the decimal is in the part of fraction or whole number are the decimal number. You can see example: 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 3, 7 upon 2, 2 upon 7, etc. They are in the form of decimal numbers. So going ahead, there is the different part of decimal. In above we have talked about the part of decimal. So this is terminating number, which means repeated decimal, must have a finite number of digit after the decimal point. Here you can see this example. You are seeing this example. So let's divide it. 8 divided by 3. So it will not divide, so we are taking 0 and decimal. Firstly we will go with 3, that it will become 24, and then 60, then 1 0, then it will go from 7 and go on 56, and it will be remaining 4. Then we will go with 5 then it will be the 14. Here the remainder is coming 0. So we can say that this is a non-terminating number. Here no remainder is lefting, which means that terminal is a rational number. Going ahead, we will talk about Non-terminal number. Non-terminal number is also known as non-repeating decimal, a decimal number without the end term. Here you are seeing that 9 upon 11, if we divide, we will get this, the 1.22222. So here we are putting bar. If the same number we going on, that's why we are putting bar, which means non-terminal number is irrational number. In non-terminal number, we study recurring numbers. Recurring numbers after decimal, if any pattern will repeat, then that will be the recurring number. Here you can see 1 upon 3. If we will divide that, 0.333333 will come. That's why we have put a bar. Same example here and same example are here. Recurring number. Non-recurring number after decimal, if any pattern will not repeat, that is non-recurring number. Example, pi, root 2, root 3, root 5. There are the exact value of pi, root 3 and root 2. So by all that we have understand rational or irrational, difference of rational or irrational. So rational number are those number with non-decimal number, terminating number are all the rational number, or if we can write in the form of P and Q, that is rational number. Irrational number are number that cannot be expressed as P and Q, or irrational number. For in another word, here we can say or non-terminating, non-recurring numbers are irrational number. We are going ahead. Now we will talk about face and place value. What is face value? A actual value of the digit in the number, that the number value is actual value of the digit. Here you are seeing the example 678, that the 6 value, the face value will be the 6, 7 face value will be the 7, 8 face value will be the 8. We will not say that the 6 face value is the 5 or 2 or 3, that the 6 will be the 6 only, 7 will be the 7 only, 1000 will be the 1000 only. Nobody can take the place of 6, 7, 8 or another counting number. Next we will talk about place value, the position that the digit occupy in the number, the position that the digit occupy in the number. For example, there is the 487, that the 7 is in the place of ones, 8 is in the place of tens, and 4 is in the place of thousand. Here we are intoing that 7 into 1 is equals to 7, 8 is in the 10th place, so 8 into 10 is equals to 18. 4 is in the 100 place, so here we are getting this 400. Now it's clear that the face value is the actual actual value of the digit, and the place value with the digit occupying the number. We are going ahead with some important points related number. The sum of first n natural number will be the n bracket n minus 1 bracket close upon 2. Second, note sum of the first n even number will be the n bracket n plus 1 bracket close. Third, sum of the first n odd number will be the n square. Fourth, sum of the square of the first n natural number will be the n bracket n plus 1 bracket close bracket start n plus 2n plus 1 bracket close upon 6. Last one, sum of the cube of the first n natural number will be the semicolon start n bracket start n plus 1 bracket close upon 2 semicolon close power 2. So here we have studied all the number system topic with our rational number, and irrational number. Thank you for watching my video. We will see in the next video. Bye bye.